After Aam Aadmi Party's defeat in the national capital, party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal will be holding a meeting of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs and ministers from Punjab. The meeting, which will take place today, follows claims by the state Congress leaders that they are in touch with nearly 20 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. After Punjab leader of opposition Pratap Singh Bajwa claimed that he has been in touch with the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs for a very long time, several other Congress leaders have also echoed the same. They predicted mid-term polls in the Punjab amid growing speculation about the internal dissent in the Aam Aadmi Party's Punjab unit as well.
दिल्ली में सभी एमएलएज को बुलाना, इनमें एक डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है और ये डरे हुए हैं कि हमारे आर्मी भाग जाएंगे। तो ये देखिए, अलग अलग जो पार्टियां उनको इनके एमएलए कांटेक्ट कर रहे हैं।
वहाँ कुछ डिस्कम्फर्ट ज़रूर है। जो वहाँ के विधायकगण हैं, वहाँ के मंत्री हैं और यहाँ तक कि जो मुख्यमंत्री हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं असहज नज़र आते हैं, क्योंकि उनको दिल्ली से जिस तरीके से कंट्रोल किया जाता है, जिस तरीके से यहाँ से कमांड किया जाता था, आज जब वो कमांड लूज होगी तो उसका असर सीधा सीधा पंजाब की राजनीति पे पड़ने वाला है। बाजवा जी सीनियर नेता हैं, जो कह रहे हैं बड़ा सोच समझ के कह रहे होंगे। कुछ ना कुछ आगे की रणनीतियां हैं, वो समय आने पर आपको बताएंगे। कुछ भी हो सकता है।
आपकी क्या राय है सर?
मेरी राय जरूर ये है कि वहाँ की सरकार स्टेबल नहीं है।
Well, sources have told Times Now that a meeting of Punjab MLAs was called on 10th, that was yesterday, which was postponed to February 13th. Now, Kejriwal is likely to meet Punjab MLAs and ministers at the Kapurthala House today, is what we are learning. This is the breaking news that we are getting for you. This Kapurthala House is the official residence of the Punjab Chief Minister in the national capital. Now, Times Now has learned that in the meeting, Kejriwal is likely to tell MLAs to make progress in their work in their areas, and sources have also said that Aam Aadmi Party fears that its MLAs could be poached in the state of Punjab. Let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who joins us live on the broadcast with more details. Niyamika, the Congress party has pointed towards the internal dissent. They've also said that there is a possibility of the midterm elections in Punjab as well. Take us through what the Congress leaders in Punjab and also in the national capital are saying.
Good morning, Akansha. As just soon after the assembly election results in the national capital, now this is a big claim which is being made by various Congress leaders from the state of Punjab, and that is the only reason why we have seen that, in fact, not just the CLP leader Pratap Singh Bajwa has mentioned that as many as 20 MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party are in contact with the Congress, but there are several other leaders as well, which includes the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP Mr. Dharamveer Gandhi. Apart from that, the Punjab Congress in charge Mr. Devendra Yadav, all of these leaders are also claiming that everything is not well in the Punjab government, and many of these MLAs are in contact with the Congress party, because there is also a dissent within the Punjab government, because we have seen that how there are several of the allegations which were being levelled in the past as well, where the Congress party had said that the entire Punjab government has been controlled from the national capital itself, as they were making these allegations against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. And for that reason, now they are saying that after Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has faced a defeat in the assembly elections in Delhi, now there is some voices which are being raised by various Punjab Aam Aadmi Party MLAs as well. There is a dissent which can clearly be seen there, and that is the only reason why they are also making this claim that there can be a mid-term election in the state of Punjab. Not just this, but yesterday when we have spoken to the DPCC chief and the Punjab Congress in charge Mr. Devendra Yadav, he has also made a big claim saying that there can be an Eknath Shinde model in Punjab.
So a big claim coming from the Congress party that the party is in touch with the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, and there is also a possibility of the mid-term elections in the state of Punjab. Meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party is claiming that the Kejriwal, the former Chief Minister of the national capital, Arvind Kejriwal, is planning to remove Bhagwant Mann and take over as the Chief Minister of Punjab. Listen in.
दिल्ली चुनाव हारने के बाद अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने कल पंजाब के एमएलओ की बैठक दिल्ली में बुलाई है। ऐसा बताया जा रहा है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी अब भगवंत मान जी को नालायक बताकर, इनएफिशिएंट बताकर, उन्होंने औरतों का 1000 रुपया देने का वादा पूरा नहीं किया, पंजाब में नशा नहीं वो रोक पा रहे, पंजाब के लॉ एंड ऑर्डर हालात खराब हो गए हैं। मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को बताना चाहता हूं, ये पंजाब है, कभी गलती से ऐसा सपना भी मत देखना। पंजाब के लोग किसी सूरत में इस चीज को बर्दाश्त भी नहीं करेंगे और आपको बनने भी नहीं देंगे। और मैं भगवंत मान जी से भी आग्रह करना चाहता हूं, ऐसे काम इससे पहले हो जाए, आपको सतर्क होना चाहिए। अरविंद केजरीवाल किसी के सके नहीं हैं, उन्होंने चाहे कुमार विश्वास हो, चाहे कोई एमएलए हो, चाहे उन्होंने सबके साथ धोखे किए हैं।
However, these claims of internal drift and its MLAs being in touch with other parties has been strongly refuted by the Aam Aadmi Party. Punjab Minister Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal has asserted that BJP can never come to power in Punjab and called the leader of opposition Pratap Singh Bajwa's statement a lie, challenging him to try and break even one volunteer of the Aam Aadmi Party before making such big claims.
उनको को साबित करके दिखावे। सारों 20 विधायक कहता ना प्रताप बाजवा, उनको पंजाब की पार्टी का एक वलंटियर तौर के दिखावे। और 1.5 साल हो गया है, मैं वहां ही गल्लां करी जांदा। सब तो झूठा पॉलिटिशियन है पंजाब दे, वेल एजुकेटेड झूठा बंदा, पूरे दे पूरे सीएम साहब समेत मंत्री एमएलए असी सब लोग अरविंद केजरीवाल दे नाल, अपनी पार्टी के कौमी कन्वीनर दे नाल आ। जो डायरेक्शन देंगे पंजाब च पार्टी को मजबूत कर ली या होर किसी ड्यूटी लाउंदे आ। एक तो आप नोट कर लो कि पंजाब के लोग कभी भी बीजेपी को मतलब जरा मुंह नहीं लगाएंगे। अभी इन्होंने लोकसभा इलेक्शन लड़के देख लिए। सो दिल्ली और पंजाब का बहुत फर्क है, पंजाब की स्थितियां और है, इस करके पंजाब की धरती पे बीजेपी आ जाएंगी ये तो है संभव नहीं।
Well, let me get in a word from my colleague Pavit Kaur, who joins us live in the broadcast. Aam Aadmi Party is saying that, in fact, all these the statements that have been made by the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party are completely lie. Give us more details on this.
Right, and absolutely. Today, the Punjab cabinet ministers and all the MLAs are heading to Delhi to have a meeting with the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal at the Kapurthala House, which is scheduled to held at 11 a.m. today. So, according to the claims which were made earlier by Congress and later on by the BJP, that there is an internal rift in the party and there could be some shift in the management in the cabinet. So, right now, this, according to the sources and according to the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, they are stating that there is no truth behind the same and there is no as such thing that there are no party leaders who are in touch with the Congress Party or with the BJP Party, as the claims made by Pratap Singh Bajwa that he has been in touch with around 20 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, which are being stated baseless by the Aam Aadmi Party. And today a meeting will be held. According to the sources, the key agenda of the meeting is under the wraps, but the sources are telling that this is going to be a pep talk by Arvind Kejriwal, and he is going to tell the party leaders to stay grounded, to stay connected with the people out there and not be swooned by the power which is coming with this designations. So today the major agenda of the meeting that is going to take place at the Kapurthala House, which is the official residence of Punjab CM whenever he's in national capital. There the meeting is scheduled at 11 a.m. where all the cabinet minister of Punjab along with the MLAs and with the CM Bhagwat Mann will be there, which will be headed by the Aam Aadmi Party Supreme. And it's being said that this is going to be a pep talk because after a massive defeat in the Delhi, now Aam Aadmi Party is left with only state, that is Punjab, where they are ruling, and not by any chance they would want this location, this state also to be gone from their hands. So the major agenda, which is said to be, there would be a pep talk, there would be a decision which will be taken that how the governance model which failed in Delhi and now the governance model of Punjab, according to the sources, they have to work on the same because they are facing a lot of
Absolutely. So
difficulties.
Arvind Kejriwal will be heading this meeting of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs and also ministers from Punjab, and we'll keep you updated on that. Thank you, Niyamika and Pavit, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you